Look at that. In the middle of the freaking bay. Raccoon. How weird is that? Let him get on. Let him rest. Vete pa' acá, really. Come on, buddy. Jump on. We'll take you somewhere. Look. It's in the middle of the bay. It's in the middle of the bay. You wanna get on, buddy? You better not scratch nobody. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's tired, man. Poor thing. He's on. Yeah. Well, let's see. You stay on the boat, buddy. You alright? Just kick back and relax, buddy. We'll get you some land. Let's see what he does when we start up the boat. Well, let's see if we can get him some land. We can get off. The weirdest things you find out here in the bay. God, that's crazy. So hasta luego, guys. We're gonna do a good deed today. We still can't find the fish.